Her body is so tight. She feel like Jamaican, no. When she walks on the body, oh yeah, she makes you wanna hold her. Oh. She says she's one Makana, my Wakane, Makao. Girl, I go die, yo, so make you try, yo, to take a real slow. I won't go low.
Make it beat original ital. Feel look nice and gorgeous. See the Confronting.
You're my reggae pizza. You're my reggae pizza. You're my reggae pizza. The way you move can make me go.
I have to re-get it, can't sing along. I have to re-get it, tell her what I do. Feel real, I have to re-get it. I have to watch out the yard, I have to re-get it. I can't sing again. Re-get it, I have to watch out the yard. Tell her all of them it have to come original. For a long time, all of them be working for real. Man and woman, for you know not ideal. Just a good and patient, that I got anger us. See you walking that body like you never get a coconut. Re-get it, I have to match up the yard. Tell her all of them it have to come original. Real.
You're my reggae pizza. You're my reggae pizza. You're my reggae pizza. The way you move can make me go.
I have to re-get it, can't sing along. I have to re-get it, tell her what I do. Feel real, I have to re-get it. I have to watch out the yard, I have to re-get it. I can't sing again.
It starts with your beauty. The heart is most sexy. I don't lose my senses. Oh girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, you're killing me slowly. I like what you do with your body. The thing you do me like I wanna hold it. Roll it, girl, just do it.
Show me how you do it, shake your hand and roll the booty. The way you do the booty, yeah, you got me feeling dizzy. You make my world so fly, the way you take it to the side, you done make me go look high. You're my reggae beater. You told me young with a little hips. I love that sexy lips. Whoa, makes me wanna kiss ya.
Girl, you're killing me slowly. I like what you do with your body.
Take it easy.
The thing you do me like I wanna hold it. Roll it, girl, just
Thank you so much.
I am so grateful.
We all really had fun.
You did?
It couldn't be better.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
You know it was your idea.
No, I can't take the credit. I was just telling you what Mary Designer does every year, and you picked it up. Now you transformed this into a wonderful family get-together. We really had fun.
Thank you. Thank you. You don't have to go now. It's still early. Let's go inside and have some drinks, please.
Julie, I will go and attend to the children. They will go to school tomorrow.
Okay.
Hey, that reminds me.
What?
Do you know that Mary is pregnant?
Which Mary?
She's expecting baby.
It's a lie.
I am telling you.
Mary's pregnant.
She is 6 months pregnant.
6 months pregnant.
Honestly, and she really kept it quiet. She'll be traveling to Canada next month.
Wait, hold on. How did this happen?
Whoa. She told me that she met with this new doctor that came back from America, a super gynecologist. That his success is miraculous. Honestly, I saw her one-on-one 3 days ago. Honestly.
After how many years?
Can't say. God can make babies from stone, honestly. God. I'll come tomorrow so that we'll just more on it.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem.
Junior, do you want to stay with Auntie Ma?
Do you want to stay with me? Stay with me. Oh! But you have to go with mommy. There's school tomorrow.
You need to go to school tomorrow,
All
okay?
right. Thank you.
Yeah. Come on.
Thank you, girls. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mike.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We had fun.
So,
Do you drive?
now, you do it.
Look at them. Please drive and go. Can you imagine, Mike?
Let her do it.
Men's world.
It's okay. Don't worry. There's another day.
Oh, yeah.
Bye. Drive safe.
Let it go, son. Let it go. Let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. I know, but let it go. Okay? Let it go. You know we talked about this, and I advised you. Let's cancel this party. Let's not have it this time. This is how it has always ended. 3 years now. This is the 4th year. Let's stop doing this.
I can't. I just can't. Sometimes I just want the warmth of children around me, even if it's just for a moment.
I understand that, but look at you. It always leaves you in tears of grief. Huh?
It's not always tears of grief. Sometimes it's tears of joy. Yes, the joy of expectation that someday he will give me my own child. All of my friends, all my mates have children. Some 1, 2, 3, 4, even more.
I know.
God, what did I do? What did I do to deserve this punishment?
You've done nothing, babe. Come on.
I worked for 7 years. For 7 years, I have begged God for the fruit of the womb, but he just wouldn't.
We're going to have a baby, okay? I assure you, we are going to have our own child. I assure you this. It's okay.
My own child.
My
own child.
We'll have them. We're going to have them. Just keep faith. Keep faith.
Oh, hello, Chama. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm running a bit late. Yes, I'll keep you posted. Oh, thank you. Yeah, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, dear God.
Doctor, you're my last hope. I have gone to a lot of places. I have done countless things, but none has worked. 3 years ago, I did fibroid operation, and I was assured that everything will be fine thereafter. But here I am, back to square one. I gave up until my best friend, convinced me to see you based on what you have done for other women. Doctor, I'm at my wit's end. I don't know what else to do. I don't know where else to go.
First and foremost, I want you to put a smile on this pretty face. Good. You know, babies love smiles. And I'll tell you a little secret. Maybe you know, maybe you do not know. Tension, anxiety can actually prevent a woman from getting pregnant. See, the reason why I want you to keep smiling, and when I mean smiling, from the bottom of your hearts, okay?
Thank you, Doctor.
It is well. It is well. It is well. So, we are going to start by running a few tests and carry out some x-rays, okay? Good. If I can read your mind through your face, you're like, I have done this several times. True or false?
Very correct, Doctor.
You're going to do it again for me, okay?
Okay.
And this time, with a lot of smile, plenty of smile. Songs in your hearts, huh? And a singing. What about your husband? Has he gone through any tests himself?
No, my husband is fine. He's quite okay. He's all right.
I still have to confirm. No assumptions, okay?
Okay, he'll be available anytime you need him.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. All right. You're going to start running your test from tomorrow morning. Okay?
Okay, I'm ready. Anything.
I love that.
Thank you very
Now
much.
promise me you'll keep smiling.
I promise. I promise.
Good. Somebody will attend to you, okay?
Okay, thank you
Okay.
very much.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah. One more thing. Keep smiling.
I will. Thank you very much, sir.
All right then.
Nonsense.
Madam, wait now. Give me my money.
Which money again?
Give me complete my
I
money.
beg,
now.
come out here, Joe.
Madam, see, if they fight trouble, I know they fear your size. Give me money now.
You know they look face. Yeah. You know they fear. This size know they fear you.
Madam, you know they fear me. Give me
Okay,
money.
now.
Madam, complete my money. Give me my money.
I they blame you every time. Yeah. You still say anybody. I just want to give you. I just want to give you.
Give me,
Say I be. Nonsense. Nonsense. I not blame you. Juju. Juliet. Yes, sir. Hey, darling.
How are you, Biola Akintola Okafor?
And you. You look good, darling.
Is this you?
Yes, so life and direct. This is me.
How have you been?
Oh, I'm fine, my darling, and I've been in the north all this year,
Oh,
Maiduguri
wow.
precisely. But relocated down here last year because of the crisis in the north.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why we are here
Yeah.
now. Yes, darling.
Yeah.
And how are you there?
I'm fine, I'm good. So,
Yes.
what have you been up to?
My darling, I'm good. But you haven't changed at all. You don't want to be horrible like us.
Horrible. You're not horrible now, you're just, chubby.
If you say so, my darling, after 5 children, somebody have to, large job.
5 children?
Yes, lovely kids. 4 boys, 1 girl. After marriage, I was having children every year. My darling, it's not easy.
That's so nice, that's so nice.
Yes. And you now, how many do you have?
None yet.
Don't say it again. You said none yet.
Yes, my husband and I don't have children yet.
It's not possible. How can you not have children? When all those runs girls for school don't born scatter everywhere. Ejiro, Obi, Gloria don't born like 10.
It's okay, Biola. When it's God's time, He will give us our own.
Amen, no. Oh, darling.
So what brings you here?
My darling, you know I'm into contracts. I supply toiletries, maternity items, babies, everything about babies. And as a new person in town, I come to this kind of big places to introduce my business.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
darling.
good.
Yes. This is my card. Please introduce me to your friends for business.
Oh,
So
sure, I will.
I need all the
will.
contacts.
Let me give you my card as well.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, thank you.
So, That's what I
You
believe.
live on the island?
Villa, please. People live on the island.
hey, my darling, I have to be here to see you.
No problem. I'm just a phone call away. My number is there.
No.
Okay, I'll store your number.
I won't call you. I will be there live and direct. A lot of catching up, you know.
problem.
A lot of things and all that. I love you.
Take care.
Hey,
All
Juju, my friend.
We'll talk later. I'll be expecting your call.
Hey, say I be.
Sit down, Yola. What do you want me to offer you?
You know now we need to enlarge this coast, yeah, bamboo, eba, ewedu, you know, drink.
Everything. It's all right. I'll give you what is available. Don't worry. Just sit down and enjoy yourself. Give me a second.
Hey, Oluwami. Hey! Father Lord. How can somebody make this kind of money under this short notice? And she's telling me I'm not working. Hey, oh girl. Money rituals. Well, what is my own? I must chop the money. I'm not sharing her pain. It's not my business. God, where this money come from? That's your husband's sister, right?
No, Comfort? No. She's my cousin.
What?
What?
You're not serious. How can such a pretty girl be in your house in this condition?
I don't get it.
You don't get what? You don't get what? Haven't you heard of helps marrying the man of the house and sending the mother packing?
What are you talking about? Don't be ridiculous. Comfort has been with us for over 5 years. She came here when she was barely 12.
12. Was she like this then? Has she got the arsenals and the mind you? All this packaging, was it there? Hey, Juju, open your eyes. Open it well, and make sure you remove the monkey hand from the food before it turns you.
Look, let's just say I do not have that kind of challenge. Can you eat your food, please?
Okay, I might be me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey! You really know my size. I like it. Thank you very much, my friend.
Enjoy your meal.
God bless you. Hey! God bless you.
Enjoy. Yeah, Lovely. I'm seeing Dr. Olivia tomorrow.
Yeah, you said so. You mentioned it.
Yes, I did. But what I didn't mention is that he said he wants to see you as well.
Why?
He said he doesn't like to work on assumptions, so I told him you're perfectly all right, that there's nothing wrong with you, but he just insisted.
It's okay. I can see him. It's not a problem. It's just that I have cut in the morning, so I should be free. 12:01.
No, he'll see you as soon as anytime you're ready.
Cool then. I'll see him.
Thank you.
Welcome. What?
No, I didn't think you were going to say yes.
Babe. Babe. If it makes you happy, it gives me joy. So why not? I love you, babe.
You do?
I love you, baby. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
Don't sing, please.
I need you for the rest of my day.
Hello. Good day.
You're welcome.
Please, I'm here to see the doctor. I have a 9 o'clock appointment with him.
Okay.
Is he on seat?
No.
He's not. When is he coming back?
In 30 minutes time.
Okay.
Please, can you have a seat down this one?
All right. Thank you very much.
This is the place. This is where they sold my baby. I gave birth here last month. They sold my baby. I told them my baby is dead. This is the place. You people sold my baby. Oh, you cannot recognize me. You people sold my baby. Where's my baby? Baby sellers, where is my baby? Where is my baby? I can't remember seeing this face in this hospital. Oh, can you imagine? You can't remember me too. You don't know me. I had my baby here last month. You people sold my baby and told me that my baby is dead. Where is my baby? Oh, you cannot remember me. Let me remind you. You can't remember seeing me. Is this not your hospital card? Is this not your card? You must provide my baby today. Where is my baby? Officer, tell them to provide.
Nurse, where's the baby? Where is our baby?
It's not true. It's not here. Can you imagine? That's not your card. If I don't get my baby today, this place will scatter.
Where is our baby?
You better tell the truth.
Where is my baby? I need my baby. You people must provide my baby here and now. Where is my baby? When I don't get my baby,
But that is a card.
Today.
When I'm so shocked, this is a hospital. And you're disturbing the patient.
Oh, really? Today you must provide my baby. You must provide my baby for me. Simple.
Madam, what's going on?
I want this one. What is it? What is it? What do I know you? What is it?
You're drunk. Why
You should have been drunk. Drink will kill you there. I know you. Baby thief. Baby thief. You stole my baby. You sold my baby to you. Where is my baby? Madam, where is my baby?
What is wrong with you? What are you talking about?
Officer, this woman bought my baby from this hospital. She's conspired with them and bought my baby. Madam, where is my baby?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong? What's going on here?
My baby.
What baby?
You bought my baby. Where is my baby?
Will you just keep quiet?
Where is my baby? Where is my baby? You're trying me. Madam, where is my baby? What is my baby?
Against your wife.
Yes, it. And that is your reason for standing by and watch this idiot attack my wife.
Okay, my baby.
Listen to me. My name is Barrister Maduka. You see this? I will not take lying low. Whoever is responsible for this nonsense will hear from me. Sweetheart, let's go.
Get my bag. You are crazy.
Hey! It never end though. My baby must come out. That woman bought my baby. I know what I'm saying. Hey! It has not ended though. You must buy my baby today. You must buy my baby today. This place will cancel. I will bring out this thing. Where's my baby?
Serious. So it has gotten to the point of faking my hospital card? Oh my God. No, it's gotta stop. Yes, Mohammed. I want you to shut the gates right now. Nobody leaves, nobody comes in, okay? And disappear. Lock the gate and leave the place. All right then. I need to get the commissioner. Oh, this is very serious. How good. Commissioner. Yes. Yes, good afternoon, Commissioner. Yes, Dr. EDB on the line, yes. I'm very well, thank you. Very Please, just a quick one. You remember my discussion with you sometime back a month ago in your hospital? Sorry, that in your office? Yes. They're right here in my hospital. About these scammers? Yes, they're here. They are here. And they came with some supposed policemen. Yes. In uniform. Absolutely. Please, I need your men here, please. Please, I beg of you, please. Very well then. Thank you. Thank you. Gosh. Is it this bad? That these criminals go from hospital to hospital looking for who to blackmail about stealing of children, trafficking of children, and extorting money from people? What is going on in this country?
John, you should have been there to see what I saw with my eyes. It was ridiculous. I have told you that I'll find the way we are. I like us the way we are. But no, she won't listen. Now see, a baby is going to come when a baby would come. What, are we going to kill ourselves before the child gets here? These people were feasting on her, fighting. What would have happened if I didn't get there when I got there? Some idiot could have just killed my wife for nothing. Why? I have told you that, look, all over the world, people are beginning to adopt kids. Let's explore that option. No. Oh, she must have a child. She must have. I understand, but come on. See what we're dealing with now.
Odili, it's not easy as you think. It's so unfortunate this thing happened, but...
You know what hurts me the most? You see, this whole thing could have been avoided. Because she had a dream. Oh yeah, same scenario. She had a dream.
Really?
Yeah, she shouldn't just have gone back there. It wasn't necessary.
What exactly is going on?
Look, I don't know what's going on right now, but I'm going to tell you what would happen. My wife will not go back there or anywhere else. Nana Chongwa. For what?
God.
Huh? When it's God's time, we're going to have a child. Sorry. Hello? Yes, DP, I can hear you. What? New developments? Oh, okay. Sure, yeah, I can be there now. Yeah. All right, sir. Thank you. DP just called to say that there's a new development and I have to be there. So please, can you just stay with Gillette for me, please?
It's okay.
All right, so I can run off and get back. Okay, please, I have to get to the end of this. This is not right.
All right.
Whoever has a hand in this must be brought to book. Huh? Please. I'll be back soon, man. Darling.
Son of your parents, and they're not getting any younger. You and I discussed this thing some time ago.
Come to the village. Almost all the small boys in the community, they're all married with grown-up children, all of them. Think. You need to get a second wife that will bear you children.
Mama.
See how good you look.
Hey, look at me. Come on, my dear.
How are you?
It's my day.
Anna, what does it for?
Say that again.
Mama, this will be epic, oh. Hello, my dear. How are you? Ah, no, this is
Hey!
good. Mama.
Hey! Mama.
Happy birthday in advance, Mom.
Thank you, my darling.
Happy birthday.
Your children will celebrate.
Amen.
Hey!
Amen.
Hey!
Amen. Amen. We have some things in the trunk, Mom. Yes, if we can just get help to get them.
Hey! Hey!
Happy birthday in advance.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Your children will celebrate you.
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
Praise
Bring the things.
Hey.
Hey!
Very well. Good to see you.
Hey!
Thank you so
Hey!
much.
Let me show the hand you arranged it.
Hey!
No problem. No
Okay,
problem.
come on.
Hey, how are you?
Hey! All these. Go inside. Happen like I'm one. Happen like I'm going. Put that. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Fast.
All these. All the little ones. Hey! Hey, come on, help me.
So after we spell Mama, Mama will cut her birthday cake. So give me an M. An amazing A. A miraculous M. And another amazing A. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I'm plus one today. I'm plus one today. I'm plus one today. I'm plus one today.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, Mama. May the good Lord bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you.
We love you so much. We pray that you continue to live in good health.
Amen.
We wish long life.
Amen.
We wish that you continue to progress
Amen.
in all the things that you do.
Amen.
Look around, Mama. You see that what you have here are your close-knitted family. We showed up here today to show you love
Oh my God.
exceedingly. May the good Lord continue to bless you, Mama. And we shall gather here again in years to come to celebrate you again.
Amen.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you, darling.
We love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Oh, my darling. Thank you. Thank you.
I noticed how you felt when they were snapping photographs. I understand it because I was once in that situation. Yes, for 2 years, I did not conceive. And those 2 years were like 20 years today. Today, you're with your husband in the city. Nobody worries you. Or do I worry you? No, Mama. In my time, you wake up with somebody reminding you that you are a nuisance. And you go to bed the same way.
My mother-in-law even got a girl for my husband, though he refused the girl entering the house. My mother-in-law kept her in her quarters and tried everything for my husband to impregnate her. It was at the peak of all this crisis that God answered me. Today, I'm a mother and a grandmother.
Oh, Mama, I never knew about this.
Your husband doesn't know either. Because I have every reason to thank God. So I don't dwell in the past. The last time we spoke on this matter, you told me you have done several tests. Are they saying you cannot conceive?
No, Mama, no doctor has said that. They only said that I have nothing to worry about because there's nothing wrong with me.
Then why haven't you conceived? 7 years is a long time for a woman. 7 years. I think it is time I play my role. Yes. I will take you to the man that helped me. Though he's late now, but his daughter inherited the medicine. So, you're going to stay back here. Okay? If your husband wants to stay with you, it's left for you people. Yes, the treatment will take 1 week, after which you'll become pregnant. Unless if you don't have a womb. Yes, 1 week, you're pregnant.
Oga, please take it easy.
What?
Please take it easy.
Is it painful?
Yes, then you finish with this whole place and my whole body is paining me now. You turn with my leg again.
Look what I know. Was this supposed to be a sweet? Are you not looking for a baby?
Yes, I am. But
Am I your husband to caress you and pamper you? So why are you harassing me for doing my job?
I'm sorry, please continue.
Yeah. Listen to me. I inherited this job from my father. Do you hear me? But I do it better than my father. What I give are twins and triplets. Because I'm doing it in a more modern, European way. You understand? My father was doing it in a bit cake way. My own is twins and triplets. Don't you want twins? Don't you want to have twins?
I want twins.
Relax. I also have women whose husbands are not capable. You understand? So in case you need such assistance.
Okay, please, can we concentrate on what you were doing?
Meaning that I am not concentrating?
No, I know you are but you don't want leg. Can you do the other?
You think all those women have twins and triplets just like that? I don't know where this woman brought you from. All these city people just come here and be doing selling. You think it's by gentle they get twins and triplets? Because there's them of one place. Arrange your leg well. You're going to carry this one till daybreak before you wash. Do you understand? Till daybreak. Now this. The white one on your skin, this black one inside your body.
Okay.
The black one goes inside to wash the inside of your body and it will become like white. You understand it? Good. You're going to take this one for 7 days. you use it to drink akam. We do your akam, you pour it, turn it, and drink it, finish it. For 7 days. After 7 days, guaranteed, you have a baby.
Okay, so
I hope you know how to do akam.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. This one, when should I take it? Morning or night?
What time do people do things that will bring a baby?
So, at night.
Question. If it's in the hot afternoon that you and your husband will do something to have a baby, no problem. But take it for 7 days and everything will be fine. Huh? Huh.
What quantity?
I'm sorry. If anyone, yes, I'm busy. Go on, I'm busy. Madam, greet your mother-in-law for me, Ify, okay, how is the baby? It is not
okay? You're purging.
It's the medicine she gave to me. She said it will soften my stomach.
Sorry. Because you've been in there like 3 times in less than 45 minutes. Are you okay now?
I'm sorry I disturbed you.
No, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Are you okay? Eh? Do you need me? Should I come in? Huh? Are you sure you're fine? I'm worried about you.
I'm okay.
No, you're not.
I'm fine.
Just sit for a while. Sit. Just sit. Sorry. I know. Sorry. Again? Are you sure you don't? Sorry. It's okay. You know what? Just hold it in for a few minutes. You know what? Ow! Okay. Easy now. Let me grab the car keys. I'll have to take you to... No. Let's go to the hospital. So you can be looked after. Like, this is not normal.
It's okay. It's just...
It's what?
I'm sure...
No, you're losing strength, alright? Just hold it in. I'll take you to the hospital so you can be looked after. Let's go. Come. Your shoes. Yeah, let's go. Sorry. Just hold me. Sorry, I know you're losing strength. Hey, you can hold me. It's fine. Sorry. We'll be there. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Just hold it in. We'll get there in a bit. Sorry. Right. No traffic, so we'll get there on time. Okay. Just keep moving. Sorry.
So welcome.
Thank you. Get this.
Okay. Yeah, Auntie, Mama is here.
Mama is here?
Yes. She came about 1 hour ago.
Yes, where is she?
Yeah, she's in the sitting room.
Did you offer her anything?
Yeah, I gave her a bottle of more drink.
Okay, get those things ready in the kitchen so I can make a quick meal for her to eat.
Okay.
Let me have my bag.
All right.
Mama, you enjoyed your meal. I am really glad. I did. I made you special.
With a lot of spice. Mom, how did you cope with?
Mama did not ask you if it was with a lot of spice or not. She just said she enjoyed it.
Spice. I didn't come all the way here to eat, though I enjoyed the food.
Oh.
You know why I'm here?
I've waited for 2 months. It doesn't take 2 months for a woman to know her condition. So, how far?
Mama, I was actually going to come and see you over the weekend to,
See, I am here now. That thing you wanted to come and tell me, say it now, I'm here.
Mama, concerning the treatment,
It's fine. Mom, let me be honest with you. That treatment didn't work.
Huh?
Yes, Mom. It almost killed my wife. And from the moment she took that concussion, she started purging. She purged to a point where she almost collapsed and I had to drive her to the hospital myself, Mom, where she stayed for 2 days just to recuperate.
Look, Mom, I understand where you're going with this and we appreciate it. But it's just not working. And Mom, if you ask me, I think that, this outdated concussion is not healthy for a woman like my wife. It almost killed her.
So this is the story you and your wife cooked up to tell me.
I'm not cooking up a story. I'm telling you what actually happened.
I knew it would come to this. I knew it. Everybody said it. But I said, no, let me be sure before I join in crucifying her. Now I know, I've confirmed it. She's using charm on you.
Don't say a thing like that.
Shut up!
I don't like it.
Oh, shut up, you foolish boy. What do you know? What do you know? Odile, why have you refused to give me a grandchild? Eh? Why? Why can't you take a second wife since this one cannot conceive?
I'm not taking a second wife. Yes, my father was not polygamous. He didn't.
Shut up!
Have 2 wives.
Shut up!
I won't do it.
Shut up!
My wife is going to bear children when it's time for her to bear children.
Odile, please just calm down, okay? Please.
How long have I been waiting? Odile? Anyway, as for you, I treated you like my own daughter. But what did you do? But you chose to treat me like a nobody. I left everything I was doing to arrange for your treatment for you to conceive like every other woman. Shut up! What did you do? You threw away my medicine only for you to cook up a cock and bull story for me? But let me tell you, some medicines have more potency than others. You watch out. As for you, Odile, you used to obey me as a mother, but not anymore. I am now a bushwoman that will prepare medicine that will kill your wife, your beloved wife. Oh, Odile, what has this woman done to you? What kind of soup has she cooked for you, Odile? Oh. Oh. Oh,
Mama, I tried.
This is the same medicine that I took to conceive this your husband. The same medicine.
What are you doing inside?
I was cleaning the dishes in the kitchen.
What is it? What's the matter?
There's a woman inside, and she came with lots of bags. It seems she has come to live with us.
A woman inside?
Yes, ma.
Who is she looking for?
Oga.
Did she say what her name is?
No, ma.
She didn't say what her name is and you let her into the house?
I'm sorry, ma.
What?
Do you know what to do?
Please, go. Do you know what? Just go to the back. I don't want to see you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I am Mrs. Maduka. I understand you're here to see my husband.
I am Mrs. Madoka too. I am pregnant for orderly, and I've come here to take my rightful position in this house.
There's a mistake somewhere because, like I said earlier, I am Mrs. Maduka, and my husband, obviously, is Mr. Maduka, so I'm sure you have the wrong address.
Do not be silly. Like I said, I am carrying orderly's child, and I know exactly who I'm talking about. And I'm carrying his baby. Are you not his barren wife? Are you not? And you're moping at me. Well, the truth is that I cannot be living out there with my unborn child whilst you enjoy in here all by yourself. It is not done. Not possible.
There has to be a mistake. There's a mistake. Trust me, there is a mistake.
Yes. Obviously. The only mistake is that you have refused to understand your present status in this house. And the earlier you understand it, the better for you. Please call the maids. My bags needs to get inside the room. Thank you. Boy, this house fine, no. See enjoyments, and they won't make her leave. At sons I go fire them.
Chioma, I am ruined. I'm completely ruined. For a very long time, I suspected something was wrong. My husband started to act like a stranger in the house. He kept assuring me that everything was okay.
God. What sort of temptation is this? Can this be true?
I will never forgive Odili for this humiliation. I'll just pack and leave the house if this is true.
And that's exactly what that stupid woman would want you to do. But Julie, you would do no such thing. You can't leave all you toiled for behind for one imposter to come into your house and reap where she did not sow. Never. Where is the Odili?
I don't know. I don't know where my husband is, Chioma.
Okay. It's okay. Calm down. Please. I do advise you go back to your house. Yes. Don't let this woman know that you are worried by her presence. Treat her like a visitor. If she becomes nasty, ignore her until your husband returns. Please.
What am I going to do?
Oh, come on.
What am I going to do, Chioma? What will I do?
It's It's okay. Stop this crying. Stop. Stop. And one more thing. You need to put up a fight. Just be ready. You need to put up a fight for your right. In case if this is true.
Okay.
Come.
Okay.
It's okay. Oh, God.
How was your day?
It was okay. Fine, thank you. You have a visitor.
Caroline, what are you doing in my house?
Odili, how can you keep me out for so long when you know that I'm carrying your child? Your first pregnancy for that matter. You were supposed to get me a flat and a car to go with it. But you didn't do that. You were busy giving me flimsy excuses. Now give me 20 million naira to better my life because I know you have the money. You wouldn't do that. You're tossing me up and down. What kind of a man are you? Not charm, not just charm. I don't know what you they talk, oh. Me, I have come to stay. This is also my husband's house. The one where they even mad me be say, my co-wife will sit down for here, no fit give me water or food to eat as I did here since.
So stop it! Stop talking. What the hell is wrong with you? How dare you barge into my house like this?
I should be asking you that question, Odili. How dare you keep me out for so long? Your pregnant wife! What's happened? Better show me where to keep my bags.
What am I going to do? Mike, you have ruined me. Mike, see what you caused. I shouldn't have just indulged in the first place. What am I going to do now? Huh? This... Huh? Mike.
Oti! Wow! It's you!
How you did?
Okay. Drink, oh boy. There is no need taking this life too serious. After all, no one will come out of it alive. My father says so.
Your father says so?
Yes. He says so many crazy things about marriage. He said, without a mistress outside, marriage is too boring. Meet my friend, Audrey. Audrey, my good friend.
Okay, fine.
Cheese.
Oh, okay.
Come, Carol. Hi, Audley.
Hi.
I'm Carol.
I'm Audrey. My friends call me Odi.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Thank you. I know, come on, let's not, don't do that.
I am the lady here and it doesn't matter.
Come on.
When you like something, go for it. You don't like me?
Mike.
It is my father's revelation.
Mike.
It is my father's revelation.
Mike. Mike. Oh!
You getting pregnant for me is not part of the bargain. All right? You made it clear that you have some needs, and of course I provided for you the times that you were with me. I gave you money for everything that you wanted at the time. Why are you calling?
Julie, we understand how painful this can be. Our people say no matter how bad the thing is, you can't take the eyes off it. We've been part of this family for so long. We feel and understand your pains. Your husband is so sorry about the turn of events. He never meant to disgrace or humiliate you.
Thank you. Sweetheart. I'm sorry. I really am sorry. I am sorry. I know that you're hurt. I know how you feel. I know that I have betrayed our love and everything that you and I have shared. All of this time, but I am deeply sorry. I don't want to lose you. Please, love. Whatever you do, please don't go away. Don't leave me. Go, please, I beg you. I don't even know what happened. It was... This is not me. All right? It was just a stupid fling that happened a long time ago. I totally forgot about it, and then the girl just resurfaced from nowhere. I'm ashamed of what I've done to you. Juliet. Because... Well, I'm sorry. God sees my heart. I am deeply sorry. Please don't leave. Please, you know this is not me. Please, Dave.
It's okay, Odile. I would suggest in the interim, you will find a house for this woman in town.
Of course, she cannot be here. She can't stay here with us. I'll get a place for her to stay.
Julie, we all know that you're a wonderful woman. I beg you, find a place in your heart to forgive him. Your husband needs you at this moment.
I just wish someone would just wake me up and tell me it's been a dream, that this isn't happening. Because I am finding it really hard to believe that my husband of so many years can just be involved in such a mess. The other leader I married for God knows how long can do this to me after all these years. I could have sworn with my life that he can never be involved in this kind of... Even if he wanted a second wife, even if he wanted a child, he should have come to me. There is nothing he will ask of me that I would say no to, ever. He didn't say anything to me. He just decided to humiliate and embarrass me this way by bringing that girl. I just wish someone would just wake me up and tell me it's been a dream. And tell me, Julie, this is all a dream. I should just wake up.
Jamaica. It's okay. Julie, look, you have to stop this crying.
I can't.
Please. Okay?
I can't.
It's okay. Stop. Like I told you earlier, don't let this woman win this. Don't.
She's already winning.
Don't make her
I'm not pregnant. Am I?
Stop talking nonsense. Have you forgotten what happened to Chizoba? The same thing happened to her. And God eventually gave her her own children. And the whole story changed.
When will my story change?
God's own appointed
when will God
time.
answer me?
Have you forgotten Hannah or Sarah in the Bible?
I can't believe
Where is your faith?
This is a delicate situation.
I know.
Our advice. I know you need the baby. And as well, you need your wife.
Of course I do, Dave, I do.
This is why you have to apply wisdom. Huh? You see, you have to manage this lady. Within the period, she will deliver your baby.
Okay.
So, she won't upset your home front. Alright? You need to be strong. We're men. We're men. I know you need a baby of your own.
I honestly do, Dave. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Please.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks a lot, man.
Remember what the Bible says. Whatever He hears us say, He will do for us. Where is your faith? The faith you built this marriage on.
I can't. I can't.
I've told you, don't let this woman have everything. Why you lose everything?
It's so easy for you to say because you have your own children. I don't have a
I understand. Stop this. Come on, stop.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I am where you left me. Yes. Ever since I came to this house, Odile, you have never taken me out for once. Odile, you're not romantic at all. At all! Maria Deba.
Look, I got in touch with my agent today and we were able to get a 2-bedroom apartment somewhere on the mainland. So I think you would need to pack your things and move there.
Mengine. Eso.
Somewhere you can stay.
Mwah. Karo. Mainland. So you want me to go and live at the mainland while you live on the island? Odile, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself to tell the mother of your child to go and live on the mainland? Nageto, whilst you live in this beautiful mansion with that useless wife of yours? If you're not there, Maggie, are you not ashamed? It will not work for you. It will not work for you at all. What nonsense?
What did you just say? Who did you say is useless?
Well, I Don't have water in my mouth when I'm talking. I said that you are useless. Who else is useless in this house apart from you? Are you not useless? You call me useless. Very useless.
You want to keep ranting? I need to fix your madness once and for all.
It is you and your entire generation that are raving mad. You are mad. I know what you want to do. I know exactly what you want to do. You want me to fight you so you can have the opportunity to kill my unborn baby. The baby you could not have all these years. Hey, you have failed. You have failed woefully.
Carol, enough, all right?
Which?
Enough! Stop! Get your things together, all right? And leave the house. I've gotten you a place. Just get your things and leave.
And don't even shout at me. So wait, see. If you're trying to intimidate me by leaving this house, it will never work for you. You have failed because I came fully prepared. You want to go? Hey, Mamola. Yadiba. Hey. Odile, you are trying to impress her in my presence. Then at night, you will crawl like the snake you are into my room by midnight. And you will be begging for my kutus. I will so deal with you. You will come again, oh. I will so deal with you. You don't know me, Carol. You do not know me. And as for you, barren witch, you had the nerves to raise that filthy hands of yours and slap me. Okay, you have slapped me today, but I promise you one thing. My baby will give it to you back double when the time comes. I promise you that. Agadiewu. There is something I would want to discuss with you.
Go ahead.
Well, the truth is that I'm tired. I am tired of living like a fugitive in this house. You don't show me love. You don't care for me anymore. The mother of your unborn child. I don't get it. If you do not want me in your house anymore, why don't you say it to my face? Say it to me and I will pack my things and go peacefully. But I'll show you one thing, Odile. If I leave this house, you will look for me. It's a promise.
Do you realize that you have not said anything?
Okay. My people are angry. Especially my uncle that trained me here in Lagos. They are very angry. He said you will have to come and marry me normally. Then I can be able to live with you in your house.
Yes, stop it. You lie. Go back and tell your uncles that I will do no such thing. Look at you. I can't marry you. I am married. I'm happily married. All right? So get that into your head. It's not going to happen.
Very good. I also want you to get it into your own head that if you do not marry me, you will never have access to this baby. You won't.
You're suffering from ignorance. Because the law clearly states that a man who has fathered a child can lay claim to that child whenever he chooses.
And that is my position on this matter.
Look at this man, oh. You are bringing your law into this. For my own picking, where I go carry 9 months, born am. Now they carry law enter for me. You know they fear. Well, when we get to the bridge, we will cross it. When the time comes, you will look for your law. Brother, you no go find am. I don't tell you.
Carol, are you threatening me? I'm talking to you.
I am not threatening you. I'm stating the facts. It is obvious that you need help. Yes. See, brother, make you sure understand me. Oh. Understand with me. If your arrogance will allow you, come to my people and do the formal introduction. Make me your wife because I deserve to be one. As a matter of fact, I'm carrying your baby. So what? Do what you're supposed to do so that there won't be issue when this baby is born. I am saying it, oh. You might think I'm being stupid with what I'm saying. But do not blame me when I hand this baby over to another man. Yes, I will do it, oh. You don't know me. I decrease. I have said it, and that is how it will be. Emarasu isuo n'ikwe. Emarasu isuo n'ana. Nonsense.
Oh, God. How did I get here? I single-handedly invited the devil into my home. How did I get here?
My goodness, why are you so lazy? You're not done with this?
We're almost.
Oh my God. Don't be useless. Be fast with that.
Okay, I'm almost through.
Comfort. Where are the other bags?
On this side.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Baby, I love you so much. Mwah. Oh.
What? Is there a problem?
What sort of question is that?
Why are you here? I didn't invite you. What are you doing here?
Odili, come on. I am your legally married wife, and I'm carrying your child. Have you suddenly forgotten? You shouldn't treat me like trash. This is your first child. This child needs your love, your warmth, your care, your love. Everything I can get from you, I need it now. You know, come on, baby. Have you suddenly forgotten how we used to be?
Look.
Just feel the baby. Oh my goodness. Can't you see the baby is moving? The baby knows you. The baby knows you are the father. I miss you. I miss us. Now, please. It's your turn to give me a massage tonight, alright?
do this, please?
Please, can you stop?
Can we not do this?
Oh, no. Mama, welcome.
Hey, Comfort.
Welcome, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Where's my new wife? Are you into Chigi? I'm asking you a question. Where is my new
I
wife?
didn't hear you. Oh, she went out. She's not in.
She went out.
Yes,
Does
ma.
she work?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, ma.
You don't know anything. Oh, you don't know anything. I hope this witch has not corrupted you to hating this girl that has come to put a smile on my face.
No, ma, no.
So where is the Kavia, the other wife?
Okay, she's upstairs in her room.
Of course. White woman. What else does she know how to do than lying down in the room and sleeping?
Hey, Mama. Mama, welcome. No, welcome. How was your journey here?
Fine.
How's everyone at home? I hope they're okay.
Yes.
They're fine.
Yes. Where is my son, Odili?
Mama, he's not back from work, but he will soon be back. Do I get you something to eat? Maybe something...
If you like, you get me something to eat. If you like, leave it.
Okay, let me get to the kitchen.
Ifrifo yi no na efifiyari ike. Nwaanyị nọ na di na ihe oyi no. No, ihe ọ madara na efifi ike.
Mama, I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Yes, my dear. Thank you.
Mama, I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Yes.
I made it specially for you. Do you want more water?
I'm okay.
Do you want any other thing? A drink? Or fruits?
I'm okay.
Okay. Don't worry, Odile will soon be back, oh?
This must be my new wife.
And you must be my beautiful mother-in-law.
Oh, you're welcome, my dear.
Thank you very much, Mama. How was your journey?
Fine.
Welcome.
It's true you're already pregnant.
Yes, Mama. I am already pregnant.
You are pregnant?
Yes, oh.
Chikwabia. Ekene dele. Oh! Odikwan izi di me. Ekene dele Jehovah. Idigu pregnant.
Yes, Mama.
Odikwan easy.
It's not easy.
Odi the pregnant.
It's not easy. Mama, don't worry yourself. I'm going to give your son a bouncing baby boy.
Amam, I know it's a boy, and it's going to look exactly like my son.
Odile. Excuse me, Mama. Comfort. Yes, ma'am. Comfort.
Afime. Oh, many horses on one. I'm a monkey olikulamus.
Mama, I hope you've had something to eat.
I've eaten.
Mama, it's not easy. Pregnancy is not an easy thing.
It's not easy.
I said the pink slippers. Are you daft?
Bring the one she wants now. What is wrong with this foolish girl? I'm a monkey olikulamus.
This is how she behaves. This is how she behaves. Every time I say that to do something for me, she will just be misbehaving. Don't worry. Very soon I will put you in your place in this house.
Don't let anybody stress you in this house. This is your house.
Mama, nobody fit do that kind of thing for me. Nobody. I never born them.
Stop
Hey,
it,
stop
Carol.
it.
Stop it. You didn't tell her you wanted the pink slippers, and you didn't have to hit her.
I will hit her. I will hit her because this is my husband's house.
Don't stress.
Biko, don't.
Bia, osna again.
Mama.
Bia, Juliet, ko ike ha ogi. Biko. What the gun nature?
Mama, leave her. I know what's wrong with her. You know she has been barren for over how many years?
Ota.
So what I got in 1 month, she was not able to get in 7 years.
Oh, the one is.
So now, so leave her. It's okay, Mama. Don't stress yourself. She's not worth it. She's not worth making you feel like this. Cheers to unborn baby.
Yes, so.
Sincerely, Mama, you're very beautiful. Now I see where my husband got his cuteness from.
Oh, my son is back.
Welcome.
Abunia.
Mama.
Omekanunia.
Mama.
Mocha. I've seen your handwork. I've seen that you have now known that you have been waiting in vain and you have done what you're supposed to do as a man. I mean, her medicine has lost potency and suddenly your eyes open and you shut.
Well, Mama, I don't know what you're talking about. There is no one here who I know who happens to be diabolic.
Ozwai, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know because you are the victim. But the most important thing is that you have done what you're supposed to do.
Oh, where is my wife? Juliet.
She should be in the room. What else? She's sleeping.
Sweetheart. Hey!
Can you see? He's after Juliet. He doesn't even care about his pregnant wife.
Don't worry. You are pregnant. And I'm here. I will change things. Don't worry.
I believe you, Mama.
Don't worry.
I believe you. Don't worry, she'll soon be here. Okay, thank you, darling. Very good. What are you still standing here doing? Sorry. Won't you go? Gossip. You are listening to the one you go and tell your useless sister.
Leave that one now.
Stupid idiot. My dear, which one would you like?
Both of them. Thank you.
Hey, sweetheart. You're welcome. My friend here, Biola, has been waiting for you. She used to be my mother's very close friend when she was alive. As a matter of fact, we lived in the same yard together.
Yes.
Again.
Yes. My pleasure, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, yes, sir. Sir, I'm sure you don't know I've been to this your house many times.
Oh, you have?
Yes. Juliet, your wife, and I were schoolmates back. In fact, best friends in school. Then we lost contact, we reconnected, and suddenly she banned me from coming to your house. In fact, she chased me out like a criminal.
Why would my wife do that to you?
Simply because I told her the truth. You cannot hold a man down forever when you know you're not capable. You cannot be a dog in a manger. That's wicked. You cannot be a dog in a manger. But sir, you know what they say? Karma, they say, is a bitch, you know? So, one good turn deserves a turn. Today, it's my friend's day. Yes, so, Juju, my friend. Hey, don't be surprised. Don't. I haven't come to visit you, my dear. Friendship with me. Don't worry. I'm sure you're surprised of seeing me. No. I didn't come to see you. I came to see my friend, your co-wife. Yes, with a special invitation. Yes. That's it.
Oh, you know what? It's fine. You don't have to dig up protocols.
No, sir, don't say that. Sir, you need to see what this Juliet, your wife, and her friend, that boot-licking chumma, that mug that rapes people of millions, claiming did to me. They treated me like a crab, a criminal, common one in the street.
Stop! It's okay, madam. I said it's enough. You're embarrassing my wife. And as a matter of fact, I think it is late. Pick your bag and leave my house.
Oh,
Do it
no.
now.
No. You will not insult my friend.
No, what?
Stop harassing her.
What? You?
What?
You will join your friend.
No, I will not. Don't do that.
Out.
You're not sending my friend out. Eh? Why are you embarrassing my friend and sending her out? What has she done to you? I don't like this, oh. I don't like this.
You can join her if you want.
Join her to where? This house is mine. I am the full owner of this house. I am the wife. The pregnant wife, to be precise. Nonsense. Rubbish. If you were to be her friend now, will you send her out? You're sending my friend out. I know what I'll tell you, I'm still waiting for you. Rubbish. Jesus! Jesus. Ah!
Hey.
Ah!
Huh?
Jesus!
Are you okay?
Ah!
Hey.
Help!
Hey. What is it?
My stomach is on fire.
Calm down.
It's on fire. Oh. Hey.
What did you eat? What?
Poison. They poisoned my food.
What?
Oh, poison. Oh.
Poison from where? How? What are you talking about?
I saw it. I saw her when she was putting it, but I thought it was salt.
You saw who? You saw what? When?
Ah! Ah!
Hey.
Oh!
Sorry. Just hold me. Take this.
I saw her. She poisoned my food, but I...
So when? What are you saying?
I saw it. I mean, I saw her putting it, but I thought it was salt.
Slow down. Just slow down.
Ah!
It's okay. Just breathe.
She, your jealous wife, poisoned my food. You want to kill me and my unborn baby? You want to do that? Ah! I feel like I'm missing. Ah! Oh! 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 Ah! Oh! Oh!
Did you do it?
Are you serious? Are you honestly asking me that question? You believe her? Or did you believe her? Did you just ask me that question? You were here. I served everyone from the same dish that's still on this table. You made me eat the remnant of that out split just to prove my innocence suddenly. You are no longer the man I married.
Thank God, oh. I have vomited the poison finally. How? No weapon fashioned or formed against me shall prosper. I am serving a living God indeed. Oh. Jesus, you love me too much, yo. Too much, yo. Too much, yo. Excess love, oh. Ow.
Comfort. Yes, I have to leave. I can no longer stay here. You can see how everything has turned out to be.
Ma, I can't stay here alone. She'll kill me. I can't stay here.
She will not kill you, please. If you leave, my husband will suffer. Please, stay. You know he's the one that brought you here. Okay, I left my purse upstairs on the table. Please help me get it. Thank you. What is this?
I can't stay here. I can't stay here. Please, let me go with you.
Please, my husband will suffer if you... Please.
Ma, I can't stay here alone. Please, let me go with you. Please, beg you. Please. Please, let me go with you. Please, let me go with you. Please. How's your day?
Fine.
I missed you. Did you miss me?
Where's Comfort? I need help with a few things. What?
They are gone.
Gone. What? Where? They? Who are they?
Who else but your witch of a wife? She left with Comfort earlier today. I serve a living God, and he has fought my battle.
Whoa. Juliet left my house?
Do I have water in my mouth? She picked her miserable belongings and left us. Isn't that good? Good riddance to bad rubbish. And I think we should be fine. Good riddance to bad rubbish.
My goodness.
Here. Take.
What is this for?
Look at it now. Take a look first. That is the list of what I need to start up a business. Cosmetic business to be precise. Just 15 million naira.
15 million? You and I ever talked about this before?
But we're talking about it now. See, the truth is, I am tired of staying in this house doing nothing and taking this small change you give to me when you want to. I need to start up my own business.
Carol, your condition right now is very delicate. You can't possibly be getting into anything stressful.
What condition are you talking about? Did I tell you that I'm sick? Please, I'm perfectly fine. I have told you times without number. Give me the business Juliet abandoned and left this house. No, you will not. Give me money to start up my own business. Mba. What kind of a man are you?
Okay, I don't have 15 million. That's fine. I don't have.
You must have it, oh. You must have that 15 million naira. What are you talking about? If it is Juliet now, you write check fast. You're telling me you don't have money. See, if you don't give me this money I'm asking you of, I will go out there and meet men that will give me the money and I can give them my baby.
You're threatening me.
Share with him.
What, you want to trade with my child?
What child? Your child, my foot. See, if you don't cooperate with me, you will not just like me. Oh. Ah.
You know what? Stop ranting and just get out of my face. Get off my face! Evil woman.
It is you, your mama, your papa, your entire family now be evil. You are evil. Who they call evil?
Did you just insult my mother?
You heard me.
Did you just insult my mother?
You heard me.
Did you just...
You want beat me? You want beat me? You want me? You want me to lose this baby?
Did you just call me?
Beat me! Oh, did he beat me? Beat me, make I lose this baby. No. Make I just push him for you now. Beat me! Are you looking? You don't want to beat me again? Beat me now! Beat me! If Roy want to beat me, give me ordinary 15 million. You will not. But you will not bring money. You want to beat me again? I am very ready for you. Beat me. You don't try me this. I am not Juliet. I am not Ice Block. Don't try me for this house. You must give me that money whether you like it or not. It's good you're here. I need you to take me to the hospital tomorrow. I need to start my antenatal. My baby is growing every day.
All right, as much as that is not a bad thing to do, I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be traveling to England tomorrow. Yes, I'll be away on a short vacation for 2 weeks. So I'm hoping that you take care of this place while I'm away and not burn it down.
I don't understand you. You are traveling to America tomorrow and you're just telling me now.
Caroline, I'm traveling to England now, London to be precise, not America. And if I had told you last week, what would you have done differently?
Am I not good enough? Am I not good enough to travel with you to the England? Am I not?
I transferred some money to you. I'm sure you got the alert this morning. I'm hoping that that is enough to take care of your needs while I'm not here.
Your mother said it. And she's correct, 100%. Juliet bewitched you. Ever since she left this house, you have become like a stray dog. You have never sat down for once, even if for a minute, with the woman that is carrying your child. Now you want to run off to London. Agalacha must come back. Do you understand? And I want you to understand that I must have this baby of mine in that London, whether that your witch of a wife likes it or not. If you like, when you get there, you make the arrangements. If you like, don't. You know me now. I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. In a England. Also, video will below you. Nonsense.
Please, Choma, I beg you with everything you hold so dear. Audley must never find out where I am. Please, I don't ever want to see him again. I don't want to have anything to do with him. Just don't tell him who I am, please. All right? All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Seriously?
Are you serious?
My dear, the next party. Now naked, I go naked.
Calm down now. What's happened? My in-law, welcome. In-law, in-law.
Did you just call me?
Yes, now my in-law.
Am I really your in-law?
You're my friend's husband. That makes you my very good in-law.
Really? You know, on this trip, I ran into someone who told me a lot about you. How you schemed for this prostitute here to come into my home.
Me? No. It's not possible now.
How you planned to take everything that my wife and I had worked so hard for when the both of you eliminate us.
No, now. Ejiro cannot tell you that kind of lie.
Also, you know who told me? Without mentioning her name, you know who told me? See how shaken you are, you know why? Because the guilty are afraid. You know, right now I could get both of you arrested for this fraud and conspiracy, but I'm not going to waste my time on two riffraffs like both of you. I'm going to go upstairs, and by the time I come back here, I want the both of you out of my house in 10 minutes.
Baby, how fast?
10 minutes out of my house.
Baby, please don't do this. I still love you. This baby is yours, and
You can ship this child to another man like you have constantly threatened to do.
it wasn't. I never meant it, Miko. The baby is yours.
Carol, if I come downstairs again and I find you and this idiot here, I will have the both of you arrested.
Hey.
Get out of my house.
Oh, come see
This
Jay.
minute.
Okay. Oh, come see Jay. Oh.
Out!
See you. As big as you are, that is how big your foolishness is. So what we discussed secretly, that is what you went to do Amibo with.
Hey, shut up. Hey, shut down your mouth. Shut down your shameless man. See this lazy bamboo. You cannot even work hard and collect good money for me to open shop in Idumota. You're here making
Idumota kill you. Money kill you there. Are you not stupid? So the money I made, I should give it to you. What is wrong with your attitude? What is wrong with your attitude?
Shut it.
Make money with your own.
I don't have time. I don't have time. Then unfortunately for you.
You never finish. This matter never finish.
Well, I don't have time for rotten tomato like you.
Who be rotten tomato? Where you want rush go? You never help me pack my things.
I want to go home.
Which home? You get home? You gonna help me pack my things.
No, it's not possible.
Wait.
Carry your loads for your head. That's all. You know, have fun. Bye. Yes.
God will punish you.
Hello, Choma. Choma, please, I am begging you, stop this. Why? Why are you doing this to me? I begged you. You promised me, you promised to be in this with me. You promised to help me recover and get back on my feet and move on with my life. Chama, please, I don't want to see him. The doctor said I don't need to stress myself anymore. Why are you doing this to me? Do you want me to die? No. I am not going to listen to you. Just don't tell Odili where I am. That's it. I won't listen to you, Choma. I won't. Don't tell him where I am. Thank you.
Odili is desperate to see you.
Please.
There's something going on, Julie.
Please, Choma, do not get on my nerves. How do you expect me to go back to live with that thing? That dredge of a human? After all the humiliation, the embarrassment, the disgrace. Is that how you forget? What is wrong with you? Look, I don't want to hear anything that has to do with Odili or whoever. Simple.
Carol is no longer in the house.
So?
Orderly threw her out.
What happened?
Honestly, I have no idea. Honestly, I don't know. But I heard they were partying in the house. Carol and your friend were partying in the house when Orderly came in and threw them out. Julie, I also heard that your so-called friend, Biola, has been behind this whole plot.
Biola? How?
Orderly will tell you that when you see him. Julie, I have been with you every step of the way. I cannot deceive you. Your husband is genuinely repentant. And you have to see him. Please.
Time heals all wounds.
Yes.
Time, they say, heals all wounds. But the scars will always remain. This scar will remain.
Yeah, I know. But the scars never hurt anymore. And we rarely remember how we got them. Please.
I've come to ask you to please find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Believe me, I know how you feel. I'm ashamed of myself, Juliet. But I've come here hoping that the love will be uttered, the times we've spent together will count for something. I've come here hoping that you find it in your heart, because I know you have a good heart, to forgive me. I've come here to ask that you find it in your heart to forgive this man who does not know how to live without you anymore. Juliet, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I saw what you went through. Firsthand, I saw you put yourself through very difficult situations, exposed yourself to danger just because you wanted to give me a child. I'm sorry. Juliet, all this time, I have been responsible for our childlessness. Yes. I ran into my gynecologist friend, the one that I told you, lives in London, and series of tests were conducted on me, and the results showed that I have a medical condition that would not necessarily allow me at a time like this to father a child. Juliet, I panicked. I panicked because I want to be a father. I honestly want to have a child of my own. But he told me that I'll be fine. That I need a minor surgery, and after that, I'll be fine. But I don't want to be fine without you. Sweetheart, I want to be fine with you. Please, forgive me.
Wait, so, what about Carol? What about her pregnancy?
It's not mine. She admitted to it before she left.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Irene, the lady you said got pregnant for you when we were back in school before we started dating? What about her?
That pregnancy isn't mine either. It wasn't mine. Because the test also showed that I have been this way from birth. That there's no way I could have been able to father a child with anyone.
unless it is corrected through proper surgery.
So, for 7 years. For 7 years. I thought it was my fault. Okay. This is a long, bad dream. Don't even understand.
It's a bad dream that could end well
I
with you.
don't know.
Please forgive me.
7, at least 7 years.
Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Wait.
Please.
It's not my fault.
No, it's not. It's not your fault, baby. It's not your fault.
I almost
Never
died.
been your fault. I know. I am sorry. Please. 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 Please.
So, are you going to be okay? It is you're going to be okay.
Yeah. Look, I don't know if I believe whatever the doctors have said, but I believe that if you travel with me and be by my side for this surgery, I will be fine. That's how much faith I have in our love, baby.
Finally realizing, yes, I know it is true. Ain't no one ever do me like you. I know people, somebody who could treat me like you. Girl, I want that. Ooh. Baby, can't you see I'm all about you? Get down on my knees, sorry for waiting I do. I can't walk, can't talk, can't breathe. I'm losing my cool cause I'm missing you.
Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space. Affectional girl, you best in my world, my personal babe. No one feel take your place. You're out that I need, you're the reason I exist. Oh, baby, wish I could bring back the days that you were mine. I won't bring back the days when we did tight. Maybe bring back those days that we were one. Spend the whole night, make we try, girl. Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey whoa, no one can fill your space.
Ain't nobody's ever gonna do me like you. Ain't nobody's ever gonna treat me like you. Got nobody's ever gonna love me like you. Come back to me, oh baby, please. Oh, 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 baby. Oh, come back, oh baby, please.
Girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with me. Hey, whoa, nothing can fill your space. Hey girl, I go die if you know they with me. Not true, say no one can fill your space. Hey girl, I go by if you know stay with